How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you want to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages, then what you need to do is just follow this video. First is the notification history. You can use notification history in order to recover your WhatsApp messages, but it's only available on Android devices. Or the second method is WhatsApp backup, which is available on both Android and iPhone. So you need to open up your WhatsApp at first. If you go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and go with settings, now here you will have chats, and under that you will have your chats backup. So if you've turned on your chats backup, or if you have the backup now option, you need to go and first make sure that you've turned on your backup. After turning on your backup, you can delete your WhatsApp and then again install it. You need to uninstall your WhatsApp and then again install your WhatsApp and restore your chat history. That might fix your problem. Or on your Android device, as we know that we have notification history. So you just need to simply open up your settings, and under settings, you need to scroll down, go with notifications and control center. And here you will have your notification history. Or if you don't find it, you just need to simply go with search and search for notification history. In some devices, you will have the option as notification history. Or if you don't find the option, you can go with app notifications. Under the app notifications, you can scroll down and go with your WhatsApp and make sure that your WhatsApp notifications are turned on. And here, if you scroll down, you will have chat history backup. You need to tap on it and turn on show notifications and make sure that allow floating notifications is also turned on. And once your notification history is turned on, you'll receive all of the notifications. You will have all of the history of the notifications or the messages right on your notification history. Even if the other person unsends or deletes that message, it will be shown on your notification history of your Android device. So in these ways, you'll be able to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.